Hey guys, if you would like to verify your Google business account, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, open your browser and get logged into your specific Google account where you have a business account in Google. And at the top search bar, type in log into my Google business profile. Select the first link and then find your business from here. Now, if you have found your business, there is also another way you can do it. At the top search bar, type in my business or my Google business profile. You will see this option right here. This is much easier, so go ahead and follow this step. Once you do that, if your account or if your business has not been verified yet, you will automatically see this get verified button. Go ahead, select it. And also be noted, if your business or your account is not verified, the business location or the business will not be shown to public because it is not visible publicly. Add your phone number. In my case, I've already added my phone number. It says a text message was sent to this number. So I'm going to paste my code here and select verify. You may go ahead, do the same, and after a couple of seconds, your account or your business will be verified and it will be visible to public. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.